afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your name, please?
I'm Lorena Diita.
How old are you?
I'm 36 years old,
Are you single or married?
single parent. I have one daughter,
How old?
5 years old.
How many years your work experience in Hong Kong?
3 months only. I'm terminated.
Okay. Aside of Hong Kong, do you have any experience in other
Yes,
country?
in the Philippines.
In the Philippines.
Yes.
You have experience of taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, my daughter.
Okay. Aside of a baby, do you have any taking care of children?
Yes, children. A lot of children.
Okay. And also elderly?
Elderly,
Yes or no?
no.
Okay. How about pet?
Pet, yes.
Okay. And you have a tattoo?
No.
Okay. Thank you.